We are continuing to learn about the elements of art. Today, we are talking about color. On a 3x5 note card, list color at the top, then below, write the definition. The hue that is produced when light reflects off of an object or surface. Color can be separated into 3 categories: primary, secondary, and intermediate, also called tertiary. Please write these color categories below the definition of color. Then, using colored pencil, give an example of each one. Use red, yellow, and blue in the primary category. Use orange, green, and violet, also called purple, in the secondary category. And finally, for the intermediate category, please use yellow-orange, red-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, blue-violet, and red-violet. All of the intermediate colors can be created by simply blending the 2 listed colors together. So for example, in order to create yellow-orange, I took yellow and orange colored pencils and mixed them together. This is called blending. Move the note card to the side, then grab a blank piece of paper. I used computer paper for this step. Position the paper horizontally, fold it in half, and when you unfold, you'll see a crease. Cut along the crease to shrink the paper. Repeat a similar process, taking the edge of the paper and folding it along the top. Take a pair of scissors and again trim along the side of the paper. You should now have a square shape. Next, fold your square shape into 12 equal sections. I would suggest watching this a few times before attempting it. This will not be a perfect process, but as you can see, I'm using my fingers to help guide me by measuring out thirds of the paper and then folding along the center. This creates a radial design. And although my sections are not perfect, it will work for this project. Using colored pencils, shade in each section according to the color wheel. You need red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet colored pencils. If you have a pack of colored pencils that have additional colors, such as yellow-orange, red-orange, blue-green, and so on, you are more than welcome to use those as well. When creating the intermediate colors, use light layers of shading. Always start with the lighter color first. Then add the darker color on top. This process is again called blending, and you will be using it repeatedly in this project. Coloring smoothly takes quite a bit of time. Please remember, I am expecting 7th grade level skills. I do not want to see any scribble marks, only smooth, even shading. Take coloring breaks as needed. I know sometimes it can be a lot to sit and continuously color, especially with colored pencil. This will allow you to continue to have good quality craftsmanship, which is how neat you are being with your coloring. Once you are done coloring in your sections, please compare it to this example and make sure that all your colors are arranged in the proper order. Next, refold the square paper. Follow along with this demonstration and pause the video as needed. Once folded, flip it. Then, using a pencil, draw a guide. While still folded, cut along your guidelines. Take a moment and carefully unfold your design. It will reveal a radial color wheel. Publish your finished design on Artsonia under the project Elements of Art. Then, go into Google Classroom and mark the assignment as turned in.